Welcome to the guided instructions for the magnet bookmark. My name is Diane and I'm a library assistant with information services at Belleville Public Library. I'm going to walk you through how to put your bookmark together. In your kit you will find the instructions, a bookmark, a picture, and some magnets. At home you will need to provide a glue stick. This bookmark was created using Cricut Design Space and the Cricut Maker machine. I first designed the pictures in Canva and then downloaded them to use in Cricut Design Space. I used the print and cut option in Cricut Design to make the rectangle and picture for the bookmark. Then the Cricut machine is used to cut each piece. To put the bookmark together, take your round picture of your kitten, turn it over, and put glue on the back. Then take your rectangular piece with the color side facing up and place the picture in such a way that it overlaps at the bottom of the rectangle, and then glue it in place. Next, you take your two magnets and peel the paper off the back. And then you stick the magnets on the inside of the rectangle on either end. As you fold over your bookmark, make sure the magnets meet properly and stick together. And now you're ready to save the page in your book by folding your bookmark and wrapping it around the page you want to save. We hope you've enjoyed putting this fun bookmark together and learning a little bit about Cricut design.